What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a page border in Google Docs. While working on your Google Doc, head to Insert, Drawing, New. From here, head to Shape, and under Shapes, head to the rectangle. You can also choose a different shape if you want to use a different page border style. You can then start drawing a simple rectangle. After drawing it, a couple more options will show up. Make sure to change the fill color to transparent. Next, you can change the border weight in pixels by clicking here. Use a border dash, change its color, and apply any other changes you want to make before saving and closing this window. After saving, the rectangle will show up in your Google document. Select the shape and then click here to move it behind the text. You can then proceed to reposition the rectangle's side and make it match your page layout. Click and drag the border around if it doesn't fit, and use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to paste it on other pages in your document. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.